Okay. Morning to Ethan. It could okay. Hmm. Good. Gising natin. Hmm.
Ang dito pa
Ano na?
sususudan eh.
Hmm. Ano nangyari? Ano nangyari? Ano nangyari? Ano nangyari? Ano nangyari? Ano nangyari? Ano nangyari?
Mm.
Ha? Aha.
Mm.
Aha. Aha.
Ah. Um.
Wala, gusto ko mawala, gusto ko mawala ng baby. Gusto ko mawala. Guys, the most kiss baby by an old parent. Okay. The most kiss baby by an old parent. Pero ako mas madaming kiss kayo na. Oo.
Awilawi ka na ni Daddy, ano?
Oo,
No. Awilawi ka na ni Daddy.
okay.
Mami, ano ginawa mo sa akin? Mami.
Yes. The most kiss baby by an old parent. Hmm. The most kiss baby by okay. The most kiss baby by an old parent. The most
Aray ko.
Nani? Okay guys. The most kiss baby by an old parent. The most kiss baby by an old parent. Okay. Uh-huh.
Gusto mo kawala. Gusto mo kawala.
The most kiss baby by an old parent. Cute baby Arabella. The most kiss baby by an old parent. Cute baby Arabella. Cute baby Arabella. The most kiss baby by an old parent.
The old is only your daddy. I'm young.
Mommy said only daddy who is very old. You know your mommy is right because your mommy is sweet 16.
You know, baby.
Yeah, mommy is sweet.
I'm just a teenager.
Mommy is sweet 16 and old talkative daddy is sweet 55.
Ano yun, Pauline?
Okay. Sweet 16. Mommy is sweet 16 and daddy is sour 55. Am I right, mommy? Sour meaning maasim. Yes.
Sir, ang daddy mo maasa.
Yes. Mommy is 16 and old talkative daddy is sour 55. Sour 55 daddy. Sour 55 and mommy is 16. Right? Okay. Pero,
Naku, taas pa talaga pa ako.
nice. Our first baby born, yes, after 10 years of marriage. Yeah. The most cute baby in the world by an old daddy, because according to mommy, she is sweet 16. Okay. Okay. No. We will go live, we will go live, baby. Baby, we will go live. Huh? We will go live, baby, Hmm? Mm, mm. I think mommy already feels sleep, full asleep, Ah. Mm. What position is to pa? Mommy, your hand kasi. Kaya
Hindi, oo, yan o. Talagang
Oo.
ganyan o.
Ayan.
Itataas niya pa din yan.
Oh, yan. May sugod
Oo,
naman.
tingnan mo.
No. Better put
Ganyan
your...
talaga ang mga ano ng baby.
You better put your arms here, mommy. Oh. So...
Tatopakin pa yan.
No. Alright. Oh.
Wala tuloy.
Mommy, come closer. So it would be a model of close up, something like that, mommy.
Oh, why, David? Bago mo.
Okay. We are all dark here.
Because of your cell phone.
Okay, Daddy is
You
going
need to change it.
Daddy got the money. He's going to buy
We're like
the.
we're so dark.
Daddy will
And the
go.
most dark.
Yeah. Daddy is going to purchase the most expensive phone in our barangay. Daddy's fine is really quite, I don't know what to say. Yeah, the most expensive cell phone in the barangay. Oh, Daddy, what is in your mind, right? Mommy, how?
Tingnan mo nga, ang itim ko dyan.
Oh,
Ayoko.
mommy, come closer, mommy.
Ayoko ang itim ko nga dyan.
You're dark because you're not getting closer to the beautiful Ara. Come on, mommy. Hello,
Ang itim ko dyan.
hello, Ara. You kiss Ara and you will not look dark, man. Playtime with baby Ara in the morning. Playtime in the morning. So, mommy don't have time with Ara. She's busy playing with her cell phone.
And you're so dark.
No, about the dark. It's just a skin deep beauty. They say beauty is a skin deep. Of course, same with color. Yeah. Okay, baby Ara. Baby Ara. The most kissed baby in the universe. Yeah. Good baby Ara, guys. Say good morning to them, Ara. Hello, guys. Good morning. How are you people in the world? Let's... okay. Mommy. Hey. No, okay.
5 hours. 9 minutes na.
Huh?
9.
Okay. Okay, good baby, Ara. You're looking to your mommy, oh.
Bakit, baby?
Ay. You know. Okay, baby.
Only mommy. Only mommy.
Yeah. The most cute baby in the world. Yeah. By an old daddy and a sweet 16 mommy. the, the most kissed baby in the world by an old talkative daddy and sweet 16 mommy. The most kissed baby in the world by an old talkative ugly daddy and sweet beautiful 16 mommy. Okay, we oh, what's happening? Okay, guys. Uh-huh. Oh, what's happening? Ah, 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 ah. Mm. Okay, say hello, Aura. Is your fingers delicious, Sarah? Are your fingers delicious, maybe? Huh? You keep on linking your fingers, Sarah. Okay. Okay, it's enough, I guess. Because we will go live, okay? Somebody might going to drop dollars and euro again. Okay, thank you guys. Okay. Okay, we both kiss Sarah, mommy. Mm. Mm. Okay. Okay. Thank you guys. Thank you. Sweet baby Aura saying hi. What happened to the family's car?